My name is Kaylah Alexander. I'm a second-year student at Howard University School of Law. I am originally from Altoona, Pennsylvania. I did my undergraduate degree in Whittier, California, and now I'm doing my law degree in Washington, D.C. So I am part of the Howard University Environmental Justice Center, and we basically work on issues in environmental justice. So a couple of projects that we have been working on lately are we're doing a climate resiliency project to focus on legislation and sustainability in small communities and towns. We're working on a lead scorecard project where basically we are creating a national scorecard and we're grading every state in the United States on their lead prevention protocols, their different programs they have, their legislation. And we are also working on doing model legislation with the Environmental Defense Fund. I'm excited to hear from the different panelists. I'm excited to be able to share a little bit about what we're doing with the Environmental Justice Center at Howard Law School because it is a new center. This is, I think, the second semester we're working on it, so I'm excited to get the word out and talk about the different kinds of work that we're doing, and I'm excited to learn from the panelists and collaborate with different schools. I hope that people will take away from the workshop kind of the idea of equity and environmental justice. That's a really big part of our work with the center. We want to bring to light different problems that different ethnicities face, especially minority communities, and kind of shine a light on how we can bring those topics to light and also create creative solutions for them as well.